Hi dear students, welcome back once again for yet another mathematics video class. In this video class, we are solving case study problem for class 10 CBSE Mathematics for the upcoming board examination. Here the question is, Suman is celebrating his birthday. He invited his friends. He brought a packet of toffees and candies which contains 360 candies. He arranged the candies such that in the first row there are 3 candies, in the second there are 5 candies, and in third there are 7 candies, and so on. Now the questions are, find the total number of rows of candies. And the second question, how many candies are placed in the last row? Third question, if Aditya decides to make 15 rows, then how many total candies will be placed by him with the same arrangement? And the fourth, find the total number of candies in the 12th row. This is the question, and this case study is based on the arithmetic progression. Let's move on to the solution. In the question, Suman arranged candies in the first row as 3. In the second row, it's 5. In the third row, it's 7, and so on. That is, this is form an AP. First term, A is equal to 3. Now we need to find the common difference. D is equal to 5 minus 3, that's equal to 2. And the total number of candies is 360. That is Sn. The total number is 360. So the variables of this AP are A is equal to 3, D is equal to 2, and Sn is equal to 360. These are the known values of this AP. The first question is, find the total number of rows of candies. So we need to find n. We know that the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is equal to 3, D is equal to 2, and we need to find the n. Substituting the known values to the equation, we'll get Sn, we know that 360 is equal to n by 2 into A is 3, that is 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into 2, that's equal to n by 2 into 6 plus 2n minus 2, that is n by 2 into 4 plus 2n. Taking 2 as common here, 360 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n. These two cancel. So we will get n into 2 plus n, that's equal to 2n plus n square. So we will get a quadratic equation, n square plus 2n minus 360 is equal to 0. So factorizing this, we will get n square plus 20n minus 18n minus 360 is equal to 0. n is common, then n plus 20 minus 18 from these two terms. Again we will get n plus 20 is equal to 0. So these two, n plus 20, will take then n minus 18 into n plus 20 is equal to 0. That is n minus 18 is equal to 0, or n plus 20 is equal to 0. That is n is equal to 18 or n is equal to minus 20. So this is not possible. Total number of elements cannot be negative. So we can take n is equal to 18. That means 18 number of rows of candies. This is the first question answer. Second question is, how many candies are placed in the last row? We get the last row as 18. Total 18 number of rows, that is the last row is 18th row. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 18, a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 2. Substitute the values. It is 18 is equal to a is 3 plus n is 18, 18 minus 1 into d is 2. That is 3 plus 17 into 2. That is 3 plus 34. That is 37. There are 37 candies in the last row. This is the answer of the second question. Moving to the third question. If Aditya decides to make 15 rows, then how many total candies will be placed by him with the same arrangement? Here we have Suman arranged in 18 rows. That is, the first row is 3, then second row is 5, third row is 7, etc. But Aditya decided to make this in 15 rows. So we will find first S15. n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So S15 is equal to n is 15 divided by 2 all divided by 2 into a is 3 plus 15 minus 1 into d is 2. That is 15 by 2 into 6 plus 14 into 2. That is 15 divided by 2 into 6 plus 28. That's equal to 15 divided by 2 into 34. That's equal to 15 into 17. That's equal to 255. Aditya will place only 255 candies. Suman is placed 360 candies, but Aditya reduced 3 rows, so he can place only 255 candies. This is the answer of the third question. Moving to the fourth question, find the number of candies in the 12th row. 12th row. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 12, a is equal to 3, d is equal to 2. Substitute these values. A12 is equal to a is 3 plus n12 minus 1 into d is 2. That is 3 plus 11 into 2, that is equal to 3 plus 22 is equal to 25. Hence the number of candies in the 12th row is 25. This is the answer of the fourth question. Hence we can conclude the final answers as total number of rows is equal to 18. Second question. There are 37 candies placed in the last row. And for the third question, Aditya can place only 255 candies. And in the fourth question answer is, there are 25 candies in the 12th row. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12